Welcome to the Blue Star Higher Secondary School, Class 6 Subject Social Science. Children, today we are going to see Chapter 3 in History, From Gathering to Growing Food. The topics are the varieties of food, the beginnings of farming and herding, domestication, a new way of life, storing animals, finding out about the first farmers and herders, towards a settled life, what about the customs and the practice, a closer look, Mehagar and Diogila Hadding. These are the topics that we are going to cover in this lesson. The first topic is the variety of food. The first one is plants, animals and seafood. What type of food they have been taken? This plants, animals and seafood. But nowadays we are getting apple, pineapple and all. But those days and all, these fruits they didn't get. So what is an edible plant? They will eat as a food. Next we are moving to the animals. Here animals, maximum animals we can hunt and we will eat as a food. Some animals we cannot eat as a food. We cannot eat the bones also. But what they will do, they will make as a tools. Next we are moving to the second topic, the beginnings of farming and herding. Here the climate changes. The climate changes is the changes may be done those days. If there is a warm condition, the climate will naturally, the plants will be grown. In that which are edible plants, they will eat as a food. Next we are going to see about knowledge gathered. Those days the people will observe all the plants, how to grow the plants. The first step is how the seeds has been broken, and next step is how it fills on the ground, and it fills the ground, it makes a new plant to grow. This is how they was observing the plants and they gathered the knowledge about this. And they also protecting the birds and animals from this crops. This is how the farmers, the people becomes as a farmers. Next we are going to see about the herders. The tame animal. The tame animal is nothing but the animals which are under the control of them. That is known as a tame animal. Here the first animal which is attached to them is the dog, that is wild ancestor. Then after that the sheep, goats and all has been come. It is a gentle domestic animals. They was allowing under their areas and they were protecting away from the wild animals. This is about the beginnings of the farming and herding. And next we are going to see about domestication. Here the process of growing plants and looking after the animals is called as a domestication. Domestication means we develop it. Okay, they were planting the plants and taking care of all the animals. The gradual process has been done. This process has been done by step process. It has been done on those days, and it was begun on 12,000 years ago. And the earliest people, they were domesticated with the pigs, sheep and goats. This is about the domestication. Next topic we are going to see about a new way of life. On those days, how the earliest people have created their new way of its life. The first is they have begun to grow the plants. The first step they have began to grow the plants. After growing plants, they were staying in one place for the long time. They are staying in a long place. They began the growing the plants. What they did, they want to stay. They want to staying in same place for a long time. And they were looking after the plants. What they did, looking after the plants. They will pour the water and they will keep the grains very carefully, because the animals and birds will come and take the grains and all, you know it. Yes, so they was maintaining it very carefully. And next we are going to see about how they were stored. The grains, how it has been stored. The grains has been stored as food and seed. They has been stored as a food and the seeds. Then they make a clay. The people make a clay pots. After that, they done the baskets and pits into the ground. They store the food as a grains and the seeds also. The people make a clay pots using the dry plants will be there. They make as a basket. They next what they did means in the ground they pit houses. They has been built it. Finding out about the first farmers and herders. Here, archaeologist has been found many evidence. The research person has found the many evidence. Okay, the evidence are found by the archaeologist. And many food grains has been found in the subcontinent like Pakistan, India and the Bangladesh here has been found. And next, many evidence like the scientific research they want to study, so they study about the plants and animals bones. Study about the plants and the animals bones. Many number of crops has been found only in the subcontinent. Many number of crops found in the subcontinent. And the remaining grains has been burnt. It may be burnt by knowing, or accidentally it has been burnt the grains. So this is about the finding out about the first farmers and the herders. Next we are going to see about the storing animals. Here storing animals is nothing but they will keep the animals very carefully, because the cows and all will give the milk, and whatever they want to hunt it, and they will hunt and eat as a food. The first point we are going to see is they will look carefully the animals. Why? Because it gives a milk and meat. They will store this, and it may be foods required for them. This is about the storing animals. The grains and the bones and the sides we are going to see. Wheat, barley, sheep, goat, cattle is mehagar. Rice, fragmentary, animal's bone. Koliba. Rice and cattle, mehagar. Wheat and lentil, gulfkal. Wheat, lentil, dog, cattle, sheep, goat, buffalo, burzahom. Wheat, green gram, barley, buffalo, fox. Chirand, millet, cattle, sheep, goat, pig. Halur, black gram, millet, cattle, sheep, pig. Payam, pali. This is about the just some sites from which grains bones have been found. The assignment is what is domestication? Write the grains and the bones of the sites of Mehagar and Halur. This is the assignment of today. Children, you write it in your rough note and send it to me. Thank you, children.